So guys, this is how it look, how I mount my camera, my Insta360 X4 camera. This is how it look. I mounted from the side, going to the front. It's a little bit complicated. It's look huge with 360, but yeah, that's the cheap option I do. Yeah, because normally people do it right here in front of the helmet. Now I did on the side. So guys, this chin mount setup, I buy it in Amazon. I buy a cheap one. And why I'm not buying the one for Insta360 itself? Because I've been seeing in YouTube, the one using that one, the camera it's a bit more to the side. It's not direct in the middle. So the video it's a little bit on the side of the bike, and then this side it's a bit far. Oh guys, look the view. Wow, this is nice. And also guys, the chin mount it's so simple and it's easy to work with, but the video result for me it's not really nice, because for me when the video is a bit too far on the right or on the left, it's not in the middle, it's still good, but for me it's I don't know, it's not right. So I find also the cheap one, the cheap option, because I'm not sure I can keep the Insta360 X4 in a chin mount, because it feels heavy in a helmet. Because it's not only the camera, the chin mount is heavy. Also, the camera is heavy, so I'm not sure I'm gonna keep putting the camera right there or not, or maybe I'm change. But I will try for a few trial, and then we'll see how it's go. So far it's okay, but I feel a little bit pain in my neck after using it about half an hour, 40 minutes, because it's heavy in the front, so I need to keep it straight to the front, so it's make my neck pain. Look guys, in the front guys. Wow. So guys, I guess that's it about the video today, about how I mount my Insta360 X4 in a tint. How it's look. It's not a good looking, it's just looking huge in front compared to GoPro or DJI, but I guess that is the best for me for now. We'll see what I can do in the future. Alright guys, see you another video.